How to make an awesome paracord bracelet, fast, simple and easy, paracord knot tutorial. Enjoy and have fun! Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you are all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. For today's project we're gonna use this red paracord 550 and this gold one also 550. Here we have joined the red and the gold. So we have the three separate pieces, two pieces of a gold and one piece of a red paracord 550. We also have a buckles and the jig. But before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner, information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna start. First we're gonna create our bracelet core and then pass on the weaving process. So I'm gonna take this joint part here and then I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and from here we're gonna take this bite of a red and we're gonna enter or insert it from the top into the buckle, and now from the top side we're gonna pass these two cords through the loop on the bottom. So basically we are creating the cow's hits. So now from here we're gonna take our second piece of a gold paracord and we're gonna pass it under these core strands. So we're gonna secure it. We're gonna take our right strand and we're gonna pass it from the back through the middle like so, and then we're gonna pull it all the way and we're gonna return it from the top into the loop here. As you can see, by doing this we have our gold cord heading to the left side. Now we're gonna secure our red cord, so but this time from the top like this, and then from the top through the middle and through the loop on the left side. So as you can see, we tied the different knots with the gold and the red. We take the gold and we pass it from the back through the loop, creating the loop on top, and then from the top through the loop there, and our gold paracord is heading to the left. With the red one we created the loop from the left side, from the left side to the top, and from the top to the middle, and then through the loop on the left, and the red cord is heading to the left also as the gold one. So now when we created our bracelet core and the working ends, we're gonna separate this right side gold from this left side gold and the red, and we're gonna start with the first weave. So we're gonna take these left strands and we're gonna create a shape of a letter S, and then with this right side gold we're gonna pass it from the back and to the top, and from the top through the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna again create the letter S shape like this, and then from the back around to the top, and from the top into the loop on the right side and through. So now here on the end, we're just left to finish our today's bracelet. So we're gonna take our left side gold and we're gonna pass it under the bracelet core or core strands, and with the red we're gonna pass it on top of the bracelet core strands, and with the right strand gold we're gonna make it under these two working ends, and then on top of the bracelet core strands and through the loop on the left side. And now we're gonna tie it up. By doing this, we locked our gold cord from the back and our red from the top, so our bracelet will be firm and have structure. Now we're gonna cut off the excess of cord, melt it down and proceed. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like this bracelet. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, I wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon in the next video. Bye!